Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 2. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will be starting with a very interesting topic. You will enjoy learning about these interesting figures, interesting people, interesting places about Pakistan. And through this, you will get to know more about Pakistan. What are the things, what are some interesting and amazing things that we have and that we should be proud of. Okay, so, the topic that we will be discussing in this week is what are the things we are proud of in Pakistan. So, we cannot just list them out or we cannot just count them in our fingers because we have plenty of things, Alhamdulillah. We have so many great places, we have so many great people, we have so many great things. So, we cannot just count them, but definitely we cannot discuss all of them. So, we will discuss few, right? And the personality. In today's class, we will talk about the very important, a very great personality which has done commendable job for Pakistan. So we will talk about him and we will talk about his services, right? That why is he important? Why is he well-known figure? Why we should be proud of him? So, without wasting any time, let's move forward and we will I'll show you the picture of him and you will identify that who he is and then we will talk about his services, okay? So, I'm going to share the screen with you and identify this person who he is. Let's first play a small activity and then we will talk about him. Okay, how many of you can identify him? Who is he? Fawad Khan, very well done. And where have you seen him? On television. Okay, wonderful. What do he do? He's an actor. Okay, he works in the plays and in movies as well. Wonderful. How do he perform? Do you like his performance or not? Yes, right? Okay, so Fawad Khan is a very well known actor in Pakistan. And how do we know him? Due from his performance. And why do we appreciate him? Because he do great job, great work, not even within Pakistan, but out of Pakistan as well. He represents Pakistan in the worldwide, right? So that is why we recognize him, we recognize his performance, we recognize him through his work. That is something which he is doing for his country. That is a good performance. He is providing us good content, which is good to view, which is good to listen, and that is why we enjoy that, right? We follow him. Like the boys, they try to follow the style of him, his hairstyle, his dressing style, so everything, right? Similarly, girls also, they are fans of him. So this is what, how do we recognize him or why is he important to us? Due to his acting, due to his performance, right? So there is something which is associating him with, yes, with his fame. Now I'm going to share the screen again with you and now I'll be showing you the picture of the person whom we will be discussing in today's class that we should be proud of. So all of you know about Fawad Khan. Now please tell me who he is. Yes, Dr. Abdus Salam. Very well done. Everybody please clap for Elise. Very well done, Elise. Elise, how did you know about him? Can you tell me something more about him? Who he is? He's a very well known and famous scientist. Yes. He won the Nobel Prize as well. He was the first Pakistani scientist who won the Nobel Prize. Wonderful. So, and during his life, he was not, his services were not appreciated and were not known for so long. And then after that, his services were known and people started appreciating him. He was a very genius man and he did great jobs for us, for our country. That is why we feel proud for him. We feel proud of having him being the part of Pakistan, okay? So he is Dr. Abdus Salam. Okay, class. Now see, about a lot of actors. Like you know who is Myra Khan, you know who is Fawad Khan, you know who is Fahad Mustafa, you know who is Humayun Saeed, right? So you know about all of these actors, and how did you know? Because you see them on the television, you see on the screen. So from there you come to know about them. Similarly, you know about a lot of Indian actresses. Similarly, you know about Hollywood actresses. So Yes, it's not bad to know about them, but similarly, you should know about such important figures or personalities who are related to Pakistan. And why should we be proud of? Now, see, we have, because we have together learned that how we can search about something on the Google. So first, I'll tell you a few points about Dr. Abdus Salam, and then I want you guys to please search it on the Google, that who he is, what are his services, why is he well known, and when did he won the Nobel Prize, and then you will share all of these information with me, right? So his full name is Muhammad Abdus Salam, and he was born on in 1926, and he was a Pakistani theoretical physicist, right? So he won the Nobel Prize for his contributions to the electroweak unification theory. It's a theory which is in physics, so it's not important for you to learn the name of the theory, but you just know, you should know all of these, right? He was the first Pakistani and Muslim to receive a Nobel Prize. That is a great achievement, right? A great achievement for him, a great achievement for Pakistanis, and a great achievement for Muslims as well, because he was the first Pakistani and first Muslim as well, right? Who won the Nobel Prize in Science, and the second from an Islamic country. And he was the second from an Islamic country to receive any Nobel Prize. And as I have told you that for so long, his contributions, his services, they were not known, they were not appreciated by the people. So after a long time, he get appreciation, and his efforts finally give the results. So now what I want you is, because there is search about him, what are his services for Pakistan, why is he well known, and then share those points with me. Hurry up. So, the procedure would be similar, that you will first open the browser, whatever the browser you have. Let's say the Google, UC browser, or any other. Firefox, just open it and then search about Dr. Abdus Salam's services, right, for Pakistan. And then, or just search for Dr. Abdus Salam, and you will have the whole lot of information about him: when he was born, what is his full name, what are his services, when did he win Nobel Prize, why did he won Nobel Prize, etc., etc., right? So what you are supposed to do, open your notebooks, write today's date, write the heading Dr. Abdus Salam, or things we are proud of in Pakistan, and then note down the points whichever you think are important. Let's say his date of birth, what is his full name, where he was born, what are his services, when did he win Nobel Prize, why did he won, and etc., etc. So make a paragraph of 8 to 10 lines on your notebook, right? After searching from the Google, and then share those points with me. Hurry up. Yes, all of you are working. Is there any confusion, any trouble? No? Okay, wonderful. Yes, Alize, you are done. Okay, so what is interesting thing that you have learned about him? He was a scientist. Okay, have you learned about his services? Okay, that's fine, that's totally fine. Yes, Ahmed, are you done? What are the things that you have learned about him? Wonderful. Okay, now there are some more other important famous figures in Pakistan as well. Quaid Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Alama Iqbal, we have Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, we have the famous poets, we have the famous politicians. So you should, well, what you will be doing, what is your home assignment? You will search for another famous or another well-known figure from Pakistan's history, and then you will note down the similar points like you have done in the class. You will note down the points about him, that figure, on your notebook, and then you will discuss it with me in tomorrow's class, that what was the figure that you have searched about, and what are his services, and why is he well known. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.